Okay. You ready, Missy? Yeah, just show her the middle finger. She dropped it.
Good girl.
You got it in again, Mom.
See?
I almost pissed myself earlier. Right? Laughing?
Missy! On. Shit.
It's on the table and now it's off.
One more time. Missy. Good girl.
See if I do it.
Okay. Okay, you throw it.
What? She did it! She did it! Orange ball? Orange ball? Hmm? Want it? Want it? Go get it. I can't believe she did that for me. She hurt your middle finger and down.
Use the other finger. That's not even not the right one. There.
She won't do it.
That's
Oh, now, there she goes.
probably because it was my finger she hurt. Here, let me do it. One more time. Missy.
It's funny as hell.
Oh, oh shit. Okay, that's good.
Oh, that's funny.